Max is having so much fun today! Look at him! He is faster than both of us! Good boy, Max. You're the best! Children, come home quickly! A storm is coming! Okay, Mom, we are coming. Let's bring Max too. Max, stop running! Come back, it is dangerous! Max, wait! Don't go in there! Woof! Max!
Max! Where are you?
I can't find him anywhere.
I'm starting to get scared. Max!
Max! Where are you? What happened? Max disappeared. We searched everywhere.
I heard a puppy is missing.
Please help us find him.
We will start searching right away.
Get ready for the search mission!
We will find Max. He needs us.
Keep looking carefully. I still don't see Max.
Please be safe, Max.
There he is!
Oh no! Max is trapped. Woof, woof!
Stay calm, everyone.
Can you save him?
Yes, I will try.
Don't be afraid, Max.
Woof!
I'm here now.
You saved him!
Max is safe now.
Whoop, whoop, whoop! We were so worried. Don't leave us again. Woof! Thank you for saving Max.
I was happy to help.
You are our hero. Today was the scariest day of my life, but we never gave up. Love and teamwork brought Max home.
Moral of the story. Today, Leo, Lily, and Max learn an important lesson. Sometimes problems look very big and scary, but we should never give up. If we stay brave and help each other, we can solve difficult problems. Leo and Lady did not stop searching for Max. Pilot Jack helped them when they needed help. Because they worked together, Max was safe again. Kindness is important. Helping others is important. Teamwork makes us stronger. And family always stay together. Remember, when someone you love needs help, do not give up. Be brave, be kind, help each other. That is what real heroes do. Heroes never give up. Thanks.